Utilizing the use of captions can take your videos to a whole new level, as this can help you to reach a wider audience and even give viewers the luxury to still watch your videos and understand what you're saying without listening to an audio. Because as you know, people are always on the go, but not all the time they're in a space where they can listen to your video at their convenience. So having caption on your videos can really take your videos to a whole new level and keep your viewers engaging and understand what you're saying. And that's why in today's video, I want to bring to you a new AI platform, a new AI website by the name of Captiwiz that allows you to do some really nice captions on your videos. On top of that, guys, they have some additional features, which one of them is simply mind-blowing. And if you're a content creator, you can literally use this feature to get more views on your video, because this feature will literally optimize your videos in such a way that you will only see your views going up and up and up. Now guys, let's cut to the chase and head over to my screen so that I can show you what this tool is all about. Now guys, so this is the website Captiwiz, right? Creating astonishing videos with AI powered caption. Really nice rating, 4.7 out of 5 with over 1,400 plus reviews. That is really good. So they must be doing something extremely well and people are really fond of this AI tool. Now, as you can see, they're showing a sample here of how their AI tool actually works, different colors, different animations as you can see, and they also have icons as well, as you can see there. So you have some emojis and so forth, right? Now it consists of 4 features, right? The automated caption, which allows you to transcribe your audio into text using AI, trending fonts, animation, and emojis that will really style and bring your videos alive. And also they have audio sound effects, right? So you can do an auto sound effect here, and you can also utilize the auto description to generate automatic description and hashtags for your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok videos, right? So this is really interesting that you can generate this for your videos, because this can help you to increase your SEO ranking with your videos and also will in the end help you to boost your views, right? So this is something that is very useful and the one that really caught my eyes a lot, right? Now if you scroll on, they're showing you some video samples. I'm gonna quickly play them so that you can see what they're showing.
Do your tweets hurt the company? Are there Tesla owners who say, I don't agree with his political position because, and I know it because he shares so much?
Did you guys know I can levitate this ball using just magic?
You wanna see a magic trick?
Sure.
Don't take your eye off the ball. There it is. Don't lose it. Switch cups.
Knight to h3.
It's a check.
Yeah.
Guess I got him with my king here.
Okay, I can't believe I'm saying this, Hikaru, but I think I got you in a checkmate. Hey, guys, we're in the middle of a game.
So they really have some interesting shorts, or let's say reels here, to showcase their tool. And of course they have some really interesting feedbacks as well, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the features. So these are the features, guys, as I showed you before. As for the pricing, you have a starter plan, pro plan, and also the agency plan, right? So this is the monthly, and if you want by a year, it literally goes down by 20%. So you can go ahead and you can compare the plans and you can see which one works for you, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly sign in. If you want to sign up, you can easily click sign up and you can register with your Gmail. I already have an account, so I'm going to simply log in right here and continue with my Gmail. This is basically the same steps you will get if you don't have an account. Let me go ahead and show you. You just simply can log in with your Gmail or use your name, email, and create a password here, right? So I'm going to sign with my Gmail. Now, once you're inside the dashboard, guys, you will have the option to create a project, right? And you can also go ahead and add team. So this is the project section. In order to start utilizing the tool, you need to upload a video. So if you go ahead and click the new project here, you have the option to upload, right? Now you also have the project section where you will see your existing projects, and you also have the team. So under team, so if you would like to add someone to collaborate so that they can view your videos, etc., you need to add them. So just simply click the add button here, enter your name, email address, password, and you simply need to register the email. Easy as that, right? Now on the top right hand side, guys, you have a few buttons, right? You have this sun button here, which basically stands for, let's say, the light. So you can change the different moods. So if you click this, it will go to the light mode, and if you click it again, it goes to the dark mode. So light mode and dark mode, right? You have notifications here. If you have notifications, you will see them, and basically the user icon here is basically showing you your profile and your logout. So if you click your profile, you'll be taken here where you can see when you join, you can see the number of projects, number of export, and you can change your password. And of course, if you have a particular plan, you can upgrade it as well. Here you see that I have a pro plan, and that's it. You can also go ahead and you can change your name, let's say, to change it to whatever you want, and you can also upload a photo if you so desire. And it's a simply user account that you can never mess up. It's really easy to use. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply upload a video. So let me go ahead and create a project. So simply click create a project here, and then you want to upload your video, right? So all you have to do, just simply go ahead and drag the video here, or you can simply click on it and drag it. So I have a video here. Once you drag it here, then all you have to do is just select whatever audio language it is, and you need to give it a name and click upload. So I'm going to call this one new videos, and I will leave it as English, and I'm going to click upload. Really interesting, let's say, statements there while the video has been uploaded. Now guys, once you uploaded your files, you can see the duration of the video, you can see the language, you can see if it was exported or not, you can see the time of the uploaded, and you can also see how much project you have created. So based on the amount of files that you uploaded, it will count as a project, right? Now you can go ahead and click on the edit button here. And once you click on the edit button, guys, you'll be taken to this page here that you can easily manipulate it, right? So you have the transcribe. So if you click on the transcribe, you can go ahead and do the export with the transcribe. If you click on the design as well, you can easily go ahead and play around with that. And here they have two designs, guys. You have the typewriter option and you have the bunny hop option, right? So you can easily go ahead and do so. And you can also go ahead and click edit here, and you'll be able to do a lot more modifications here within this, as you can see, right? So here are the different animations that you can play around with. Type the default, which allows you to play with the colors there, the shadows, you can play around with the size, and also you can play around with the font family as well. Right, so once you're finished, guys, all you have to do, just simply go ahead and create your design. Now guys, once you finish, all you have to do, guys, is just simply go ahead and click export, and the video will be exported. I realize based on experience using the site that there are times when it takes a bit longer, and if you should face any issue with this website, I would recommend that you go to your home and you want to scroll down to the bottom here, and you want to submit your issues within the help desk. So you can simply click on the help desk there, and you can inform them of any issues that you're facing, and they are more than happy to help you. You can also find some articles as well, and most helpful articles to see if whatever issues you're facing, if you can find the fix there. But in my experience, you can easily contact them to have them help you to fix any issues that you're facing within this. As you know, it's an AI tool, and there are times when you will have issues, so they will be able to help you to fix the issue. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.